Hi, my name is Mandy Dennis. I'm a registered dental hygienist and the Director of Hygiene Operations here at 7 to 7 Dental.
Hi, I'm Shanna Wolko, a registered dental hygienist at 7 to 7.
Hey Shanna, do you get your oil changed?
Absolutely. I do regular maintenance to keep my car in its best shape.
How often do you go?
Well, I follow the recommendations of the mechanic so I can keep the original parts of my car and prevent any major problems from happening.
Do you know that regular car maintenance and going in for your oil changes are very similar to our patients coming in for their regularly scheduled visits? When they're keeping up with those visits, they're less likely to have any problems. When you come in for your hygiene visits, we are able to keep problems from happening or at least identify them while they are small. But when you skip your scheduled appointments, things go unnoticed or neglected, and then they turn into much bigger problems.
Following our recommendations will help you maintain your oral health. Talk to your dental hygienist about the best routine care for you.